All right, what's going on, guys? We're back again with the Luna Eclipse folding electric bike. I received a bunch of questions in my last video, and in today's video we're going to be trying to address all of those. I'm going to be headed to a park about a mile away. It's got a big grass hill, and we're going to be doing some hill climbs and riding on some different terrain, and hopefully address some of the questions that were asked in my last video. If you guys want to see that, I'll leave a link up in the corner you can click on right now. But yeah, let's get to that. Let's get to the hill. All right, so for all you taller riders, be careful because I just whacked my knee on the middle bar, so. All right, so this is a pretty steep hill. I doubt I'm gonna be able to get up in mode 1, but we'll try it anyways. We're gonna start in mode 1. And we're gonna move all the way through each level. So here we go. Totally doable in mode 1, but you're gonna need to give it a little bit of throttle. Gotta have more power, but let's try mode 2. Let's see if that works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, mode 2, hill climbing, not a problem at all. Didn't even need to use the throttle. So I can only imagine 3, 4, and 5 are gonna be just as easy, even easier. So let's do mode 3. Well, let's try it. Let's try over here on the steeper side. Yeah. All right, I'm in mode 3, I'm gonna hit that one. All right, just so you guys can see how steep this hill is, there's the bike on the hill, and you can't even see the bottom of it because it goes so steep. But I just came up from right there on mode 3. Not a problem at all, no throttle, easy climbing. All right, so that was pedal assist mode 1 through 3. I'm not even gonna mess with 4 and 5 because I already know it can totally do it. But yeah, we're gonna go on to the next location, gonna hit some dirt and see how it stands up against that. All right, so battery update. I've ridden about 4.5 miles, as you can see, and I still got like basically a full battery. This thing's tanking. Yeah! All right, so as you guys can see, this thing is pretty solid. My brother's on it right now. He's getting a ride in. He's about the same height as me, maybe an inch shorter, and he's about 190. So we're out here riding on some grass and some different terrain. We have sand and a bunch of leaves everywhere, and the bike is holding up very well. It's super solid. You can also lock up the tires with no problem. Just be careful. Here it comes. How do you like it?
It's pretty fun, man. It's a lot different this second time I rode it. You barely even have to pedal, dude. And you don't even have to use the throttle for anything except for just like a little extra to get you up a hill or something like that. But
so would you recommend it?
I would recommend it 100%, and it's definitely worth the money.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you liked the video, leave a like, and go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this, because it's coming. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
What are you doing?
I definitely want an electric motorcycle. I want a 0 for sure.